Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are doing a product review of a VR accessory for your MetaQuest 2 headset. Today we're looking at these controller grips by Kiwi Design. These ones are their upgraded controller grips. They differ from the non-upgraded ones because they have a battery opener, a place where you can put the battery into. The other ones didn't. You had to take the whole case off to change the battery. These ones retail for $22.99 on the Kiwi website right now. They are on sale. They're regular $34.99. They're on sale on Amazon.com for $21.99 at the moment of publishing, but I can't guarantee that that price will still be there. On Amazon Canada, they are $42.99. So I'll link all those below so you can check where the cheapest price is if you are watching this later and if you'd like to purchase them. In this video, I'm going to unbox them, I will assemble them, and then I will give you my review after I've had a chance to use them for a little bit. So let's jump into this one. Here's the box that came in the mail. Nice little small one, classic Kiwi design there. We'll open this up here. We got the controller grips and little controller battery pieces there as well. Here's the user manual. Some extras of those. And there are the covers there as well. They got a little metal clip and a loop here. Those feel really nice. I like how those feel. So these ones, as you can already see, they're not going to go around the whole ring part at the top of the controller. They're just going to be going around the bottom. So to start, we're going to need to remove the controller inserts here. I've got a rechargeable battery pack in here, so I'm just going to take this little guy out. If you want to use these to help you get the battery out after, you can. I'm just gonna insert this as is. Now you can take, here's the right controller, and you can see on top it says R. Make sure that you're threading it through the top there, and we will just thread these on here. Alright, so there's the right controller. Now you can see that this strap just opens up and can get thread through this nice metal ring there and clamp back down. And you can change that for the size that you need. That feels pretty good right there, actually. Okay, and I will quickly do the other one here. Alright, and there we have them both. So if you have a different case covering like I did here, a battery covering I should say, you will need to use this one just because of the space that you need to open up the battery slot right there. Obviously with this one, then there wasn't that space. These are the rechargeable batteries with the little USB-C plug, so I'm just going to try to put this plug back in there and see if that closes. No, not fully. It doesn't fully close. And so if you are using rechargeable batteries, then that USB-C plug will have to come out in order for you to use these grip covers here. Overall here already, I can already tell you that I like the design. They're nice and sleek. I like the black and white contrast there. The feeling of the material is all nice. It's kind of a silicone, but it's not kind of that sticky silicone. It's a nice, smooth, grippy, well, smooth and grippy, that's two opposite words. But it has little grips on it, so it does feel somewhat smooth, but also has a little bit of grip to it. And I like the feel of this strap. It doesn't feel like a cheap strap. It's got nice feeling to it there on both of them. So I'm going to use them a little bit, and then I will give you my thoughts here, and we will go from there. Alright, so after using this a little bit, I'll give you my pros and cons. Pros, I think they're stylish. I really like the look. I like the black, the sleekness of it. I like the size. They're not bulky. They fit easily in the hand. I really like the material. The texture of it creates a good grip. The metal clips and just little pieces there are really nice. I like how the clips allow the hand part to move a little bit so it's not just stiff. It allows for a little bit of adjustment, and I like that the adjustment strap can be adjusted really easily, so if you're switching players it makes it really easy to adjust those. I think the price is actually pretty good comparable to other ones. This is cheaper than other ones that I've seen, but just as good if not better. My only cons I have is just that you have to use their battery cover. I use a rechargeable battery and I'm not able to use the cover that came with that for these ones. I could punch a hole in this battery cover to get access to it, but I don't really want to do that. That's really the only con that I have. Otherwise, I think this is a great product. I do recommend this one. I will link below to Amazon's and to the Kiwi store if you want to check this one out, and you can find those there. Make sure you check out all of my other VR accessory reviews. I will link that playlist below. Like this video and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.